Today we are going to show you the new and updated goods reception application, better known as SSA for most of you. First, I will show you the new application in addition to new functionality that has been added, and there will be time for Q&As afterwards. So I hope that's okay for all of you. So if you just mute yourself and then you can unmute yourself if you have any questions, that will be great. So to open the goods reception application, find logistics in the left-hand side and then reception and choose goods reception. The application is similar to, for example, the purchase order application where you have the possibility to add columns. You can also filter on various fields that are available, and then you can use the predefined filters, for example, my goods reception. So not much has changed on document level. The main difference for you is the menu options. For example, in the old application, you have to right-click or press F12 to open, for example, the correspondence option. But this is now available in the outgoing print/email. And you can also see that there are a few fields that has changed names to avoid abbreviations and such. You can also click on them to get more information about what the field is. The ship from and ship to addresses are stored in the shipping addresses folder. So mainly the document level is not changed much. But for companies that conduct production, there is a new way to find production SSAs or production goods receptions. So if I click on the cogwheel icon, choose columns and then inspect production, you will find information about the production SSA when you click the icon. I can show you one more time. You just click this icon and then you will have the production information. So what is changed now is that regular goods reception and also production goods receptions, you have item when you click on this arrow. So there is a lot that has changed on the goods reception items. It contains more information than before. Information that you previously had to search for in other application. So you now have the process flows where you can inspect all previous transactions. You also have field descriptions. For example, on reception you have now available quantity, which was previously called free quantity. You have the not invoiced quantity, and if I click this, you will have an explanation of what that field is. The product fields contains the same information as before, only with some updated field names like production lots or material quality, but the information is the same. Okay, in the old SSA or goods reception, you could only add the freight as a %, but now you can add it as a sum, saying for example 20. So that is changed. You also have some new menu options that are available. But what is more interesting is the new folders that we have added. So you have the notes folder, which you are all familiar with from before. You have the accounting information, but you now also have the opportunity to, for example, inspect all stock location assignments. You can make changes to properties, saying that this goods reception item on this stock location is blocked for picking. So then you will only make changes for this specific goods reception item. So it's possible to add properties here. This folder lists all previous and current stock locations that this product is or have been available on, and how much you currently have on stock. And you will have like a summary here. If you want to see all stock corrections made for this specific goods reception item, you can do this in the stock corrections folder. You can inspect the documents by clicking the icon, and then you will come automatically in the stock corrections menu. But you will always have the current information available in the folders. So if you want to create the stock correction, you still have to choose the option Create Stock Correction, but you have all statistics and history made here. All stock takings conducted on the item is available in this folder, and it's of course also possible to inspect the stock taking document. So you will see a lot of relevant information connected to this goods reception item. For example, that RamBase expected quantity was 18 while you counted 19, so you will always see this important information everywhere. And for those of you who are performing goods transfers from one location to another, this information is also available as a separate folder. So when I, for example, click this, you can see that I had a stock or a goods transfer from this location to that location. So you have much more available information through these folders, which you previously had to search for in other applications, or they're more easily accessible now. And if you want to, for example, move goods or initiate goods transfer, you always have the same options that you had before.